It's a PDF 6.
Yes.
6.
Say, leader, Lordship has that now?
Definition of-
Leader in relation to a legislature party means a member of the party chosen by it as its leader. Chosen by the party as its leader. Member of the party chosen by it as its leader. Complete misreading of this definition, brothers. And includes any other member of the party authorized by the party to act in the absence of the leader. Authorized by the party. Consistent, brothers, with all my contentions. This is not in the domain of the legislature party. The party chooses the leader, the party chooses the whip. So this argument that I had thrown you out, Sunil Prabhu I had thrown you out, therefore I need not have recognized Sunil Prabhu at all on the 3rd. Because I had appointed Gogavle. Amalas, yesterday, an argument was made, how could they whip act outside the house? Amalas, what were they doing in Assam? Appointing a whip outside the house? They made a serious argument yesterday. This is a whip, how could they do it outside the house? So you're sitting in Assam in the lap of the BJP and you are displacing a whip which is recognized by the political party and conveyed to the speaker, and these office bearers are there on the record of the register of the assembly. And you say Gogavle is the whip? I mean, it's per se voluntarily giving up membership. You say I continue to be the leader. On what ground? You've been removed on the 21st of June itself. So how are you the leader? Well, kindly look at it this way for a moment. Well, supposing I say I am the party, what should I do? I should go to the party, call a meeting. There are rules of the party. Go and establish your majority in the party, and then become the chief minister. There may be no dispute in the legislature party. Take a case, Malas, where there's no dispute in the legislature party. What would a person do if he says that, look, I am the party? He will go to the party. He can't do it any other way. Now, if you are able to galvanize the support of X number of members, there may be minority, there may be majority. And then on the basis of those numbers, you destabilize an elected government and then go to the election commission and on the basis of the fact of those very people who are subject to disqualification, get the symbol and then say, I am the party. Which of the two procedures would be constitutional? Constitutional law, members of the legislature can never be given primacy over the party. Can never be given. Because they are individual members, Malas. Group means you may actually act together, that's not relevant. So, Malas, this is one part that they relied upon. Then para 3.
3 must be read in terms of...
Yes, exactly. I was going to read that, Malas. That's at page 5. The leader of each legislature party other than a legislative party consisting of only one member shall within 30 days from the date of commencement of these rules, or where such legislature party is formed after such date within 30 days from the date of its formation, or in either case within such further period, as the Speaker may, for sufficient cause allow, furnish the following to the Speaker: a statement in writing containing the names of members of such legislature party, together with other particulars regarding such members as in Form 1, and the names and designations of the members of such party who have been authorized by it or communicating with the Speaker for the purposes of these rules. Clearly, Malaj.
It is in the definition also.
Yes. Then, Malaj, my Lord the Chief Justice asked a question, or one of your lordships asked him a question. Is the whip mentioned in the form? And the answer is yes. The fact is it is not. Kindly see the form now. He gave the answer as yes. Page 13.
Whip is by convention, is it?
Yes, absolutely. It's not even there. Party affiliation, that's all. Item 5. Date of election, date of signing of the form.
Which form is this?
This is Form 1, Malaj.
Form 1. Name of the legislature
That's
party.
all.
Name of the corresponding political party.
Yes. There's no question of whip. No question, Malaj. That's something that's appointed by the party.
Page 5.
Page 11. Page 11, your ladyship may have. Page 11, Form 1. PDF 13. So, Malaj, it's crystal clear. Which is why, Malaj, they very strategically did not refer to all that I had said about the whip. Not mischievously, strategically. Huh? Yes, Malaj. I was on petitioner's written submissions on this, Malaj. Yeah. Petitioner's written submissions. I got it. Yeah. That's at PDF, Malaj. Page 70.
It's for lunch because we'll relax a little.
Let's see. PDF, Malaj, page 70 on whips and the role of political parties.
Yes.
So, Malaj, he said there's no distinction between legislature party and political party. See the definition. Subject to provisions of paragraph 4 and 5, a member of a house belonging to any political party.
Where are you reading?
Page PDF 70 in my written submissions.
On whips and the role of political party.
Yes, yes. Which, Malaj, they didn't deal with it
You
at
have
all.
read in detail, Mr.
I'm sorry?
Well, that one you had read very much in detail. The
In fact,
written-
we've highlighted,
Originally, yes.
highlighted that.
I highlighted the history, how a whip was, Malaj. All that I said, but they didn't deal with it at all. Their argument was, no, the legislature party appoints the whip. And they gave that document to your lordship, Malaj, which is contrary itself to the record, because that's a Rajya Sabha member, Malaj, appointing with it. So, Malaj, I've done with this part of it. Now, a bit about, Malaj, Nabam Rebia, if your lordships will permit me. Malaj, as far as Nabam Rebia is concerned, Nabam Rebia does not take into account the ambit of Article 179 of the Constitution and the concept of removal in 179. We'll see that. First, Malaj, 179C.
Does
It
not
will be
take into
removed
account
from
the
it.
concept of removal in Article 170.
Yes, removal in 179C, Malaj, not dealt with at all. In that context, yes, kindly have a look. Provided that it's like not a no confidence for which no reasons have to be given.
may be removed from his office by a resolution of the assembly passed by majority of all the then members of the assembly.
Intention to move. Intention to move. Your lordships will remember the
Yes.
submissions that I had made. The question of moving doesn't arise. Intention to move. So that concept, Malad, is not dealt with in Navam Rebia at all. What does Navam Rebia say on the issue of 10 members, Malad? My learned colleague, Mr. Jethmalani Malad, said that that seemed to be an erroneous interpretation. Then members means then who are members of the House at that point in time. That will exclude people who are disqualified. But Nabam Rebia says, no, you can't change the status of the House, even if there are disqualification. In a sense, saying that you can't even deal. The Speaker can't deal with disqualification petitions. That's Malad's also an area where Nabam Rebia Malad's did not deal with it. That's the second. And the third is, Malad, just look at this notice. Please show where the notice is. Notice which we were given. Para 235 or what?
Nibam. Navam.
No. I am talking about the concept of removal. I'm not talking about, we are not here talking about whether the article is referred to or not. We are, no, not the ground. This is the whole point. That issue was never raised. It was, means, many things you have said happened but didn't happen. So let's not go into it. There is no discussion as to, there's a difference between notice for removal and a mere notice without any grounds for removal. See the notice here.
Yes, can we see the notice?
Yes, that's one important. Yes, I know, I've already said that. Convenience compilation, 2 Malats,
49.5.
page 62 Malats, PDF.
King for
It's very interesting.
task now. There are
PDF page?
Page 62 Malats.
62.
Sorry.
Now, Malats, kindly see. Just have a bare reading of this notice, you'll find out, Malats. You realize the fallacy of the decision in Nabam.
running into 731 pages.
Page, notice.